football. And when Tom's going to go out long towards the sand pit.
Okay.
Watch.
Okay.
Tom, go out. Go out.
Okay, ready, go.
Yeah, go up for a pass.
So close.
Yep. This time I'm going to go do a different type of ball.
Okay.
Hi.
Alright, kick it.
I'm going to do a kickoff.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Behind this camera.
Nice.
Sweet.
Go get it.
What? Only if I had the ball, I would make a touchdown. I'm gonna go get a drink. Mom, you can do the other video when I come back out.